Martin.
Now that was pretty good New York pizza. We wanted to go to Chuck E. Cheese, but they wouldn't let 4 grown men in there without a kid. Sorry, Crafty. Sorry, buddy.
Yeah. Next time.
Next time. I would eat it again. I don't know about the pinwheels.
I don't know about the pinwheels were a little too
A little too doughy.
A little too doughy for me. I like that pizza was good though.
You know do you know where you're going?
Buffalo chicken pinwheel. Do you really like that buffalo chicken pinwheel?
Okay, I'm not a fan of the buffalo chicken.
I did like the buffalo chicken.
What was it about the buffalo chicken pinwheel? Did you feel like you're getting attacked by the buffalo chicken?
No, it felt like I got kicked in the teeth by a buffalo.
By the buffalo.
Yeah, literally kicked in the face.
Are we gonna try the licking lizard later?
Limp lizard.
Limp lizard. But
it's named after you.
We got 5 coupons for $10 off if we spend $50. So we just need like
to spend $250 on barbecue. I wouldn't spend $250.
It's the only coupon
on barbecue. On Syracuse barbecue, if you paid me to do it.
It's the only coupon in the
I beg to differ.
USBC
how much
coupon book.
If they paid you more than it was to get the barbecue, they would definitely accept that deal.
They would have to pay me at least $350.
$350
to spend $250.
$350 to spend $250
on Syracuse barbecue. Syracuse barbecue. It doesn't even roll.
It doesn't even make sense.
Ugh. Just sounds. Ugh.
Just fuck that up.
Ugh. Don't you think they should just unhook them and just see who can survive? This could be like the Hunger Games. Just unhook them and see who survives. I want to hear boom, boom every time a kid falls. Boom. District 4 has died. Keg urinals. How fancy. What is this? Yeah, we're in America. Alright, we need to sing the national anthem. You guys know all the words? You don't know all the words?
Currently raining right now. Really hard. It's raining.
Hey, so what's gonna be the game plan for tonight? We bowl at 7 o'clock.
Is this a serious question?
Oh, I'd just like to walk out without tripping.
I think the goal is to get out of the first frame without an open.
$5 to the first one who splits.
Yeah, I think we should just charity the first person that leaves a 2-8-10.
2-8-10? Oh, it has to be a 2-8-10?
I think, yeah. I mean, I just
might be the most money I make all tournament, so yeah. I'll be aiming there.
We should count them. I bet last year you were in the money for.
I had more washouts, I think, but I could be wrong.
We can count it.
I think you probably had the most gutter balls too on spares.
Your face had the most gutter balls.
Did everybody bring a spare ball?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sort of.
That's a good start.
It doesn't pick up any spares, but
it's not a spare ball.
It's designated as a spare ball. I think it'll be fine. It's gonna be fine.
Yeah, I think you gotta throw the ball pretty similar.
Yeah.
Me and Joey?
Yeah, you about half his rev rate and half his ball speed.
Duh.
Yeah, you have gotten to kind of throwing the ball like a grandpa. I mean, you got that dropped finger thing.
This blog is over.
I'm out.
P.S.
I'm out.
P.S. Andy sucks. Stupid.
In half a mile, keep right.
Yes, sight for sore eyes.